We call on the Lady Eagles to receive their trophy and their bronze medals. Lady Eagles, please come forward. Let's give a warm applause to the Lady Eagles led by their team captain, Cara Acevedo.
Feeling you right next to me. This is all I'm asking for. With you there's nothing I want.
Lady Eagles are composed of number 1, Ariel Patnongon, number 2, Avril Paje, number 3, Gretchen Ho, number 4, Bea Pascual, number 5, Cara Acevedo, number 6, Z Hervasio, number 7, A Nakachi, number 8, Charo Soriano, number 9, Mona Bagat Singh, number 11, Tasha Faustino, number 12, Jem Ferrer, number 14, Misha Kimpo, number 15, Phil Kainglet, number 16, Son Kabundit, and number 17, their libero, Gabriel. The Lady Eagles are mentored by their head coach, Mr. Clint Malazzo. Assistant coach for Ateneo, Ato Toy. Coming up.
Thank you. I'm with someone who has consistently shown an outstanding performance all throughout this league. And I'm sure no, a lot of people are looking out for this girl. Ngayon, huwag kayo magugulat dahil sa sobrang consistent at outstanding ng performance. She's actually a back-to-back best player of the game. Nung game 1, of course, introduce ko muna. I'm with Jam Ferrer, our Shakey's best player for today's game. Jam, first game, ikaw ang ating Shakey's best player of the game. Ngayon, ikaw na naman ulit. I'm sure a lot of people are curious and are wondering, paano ba nagiging consistent ang isang Jam Ferrer sa isang game? Ano bang nasa isip mo pagpasok mo ng game?
I think before ng game, kailangan ko mag-visualize kung paano yung kalaban, aralin ko siya. Tapos, alam kong mag-a-adjust din yung kalaban, so mag-a-adjust din kami at the same time.
Actually, yung performance mo today's game, you scored 7 points, and what's even more impressive is that you averaged 48.68 successful sets in today's game na malaking tulong para sa mga teammates mo, no, kaya sila nakakapatay. Ano sa tingin mo yung isa pang bagay na naging factor kung bakit kayo nanalo ngayon?
Naging maayos kasi yung floor defense namin, tsaka lahat teamwork yun, tsaka puso.
Very well said, and because you are Shakey's best player of today, ikaw, meron kang gift from Shakey's, you get a bag from Shakey's, and you also get the chance to thank the people who are supporting your team.
Hi, thank you sa lahat ng nagsusupport sa Ateneo Women's Team, and hi sa mom ko, sa Ortega family, and sa mga taga Ramon and Isabela. Thank you.
Thank you and congratulations. 7, Coach Ronnie.